Show you how to install a throttle cable. Just got in all my parts, kill switch, levers, grips, a brand new throttle cable. I got a new throttle cable on the bike, but it came with the kit, so I'm just gonna put this one on. It's blue anyways, looks better than the black one. What you do is you stick this into here. Alright. You pull that back like that, and then you line the tip of the bar right here until the tip right here, until it's that way, until it locks in. I'll show you an example when I'm done here. And there you go. That's how you install throttle cable. There you go.